Snoring means noisy breathing. Okay, it is different in children, and differences are there in children and different in adults also. Okay, usually the snoring happens because of blockage of the nasal passages or the throat passages. Usually nasal passages, when there is gross deviated nasal septum, or if the turbinates are grossly enlarged, or if there is adenoids, they will snore. If you take the throat problem, usually large tonsils, and when there is a loose tissues in the palate, or if the base of the tongue is very large, there is chance for snoring. If the person is obese, like excess weight is there, they also tend to snore. And because of hypothyroidism also, they can be chances of snoring. If you come to the treatment part, the treatment will be according to the cause. If excess weight is the main reason for the snoring, we will ask the person to lose weight. If excess weight is the reason, if the person reduce the weight, the snoring will improve. If thyroid is the main, hypothyroid is the problem, if we can treat the snoring with medication itself. In case if in nose there is some obstructions are there, we can correct the obstruction by some endoscopic surgeries. If the throat is the problem, if the excess large tonsils are there, if you remove the tonsils and if we do some snoring procedures on the palate also, the snoring will come down.